Hi friends, welcome back to Super Light Foods. Today let's see a dinner recipe called Thakkadi. This recipe can be made in a short period of time. So let's get started. In a separate bowl, add 1 scraped coconut, 3 chopped onions and 1 kilogram of rice flour. And then add salt as per taste. Then add some gravy to make a dough. Knead well until it turns to thick and soft dough. And make sure that you make balls in Thakkadi shape. In a separate pan, make a curry gravy that suits for the Thakkadi balls to cook. First cook the gravy, then add all the balls into the boiling curry. This dinner recipe is really special in Sri Lanka. Now, close the pan to cook well. After a while, check whether the Thakkadi balls are being cooked well. Finally, add 1 cup of thick coconut milk and cook for 5 minutes in low flame. And this is the secret tip of this recipe to make the Thakkadi more tasty. Now your Thakkadi is ready. These measurements serves about to 7 to 8 people. So you can multiply or divide how much you wanted to serve. Today I made mutton thakkadi and this dinner recipe is very special and famous among Muslims. For more easy, simple and unique recipes, subscribe to my channel and make sure that you like, share and comment for more videos. Thank you for watching.